Hello from Canine Dreamworld. Today Margret needs to go to the hairdresser. After the rain season it's much needed. I keep it a little bit longer during the rain season, meaning during the rain season I don't cut the hair, but sometimes it's quite windy, wet and would be a little bit too cold for them. So rain season I don't cut it, so now the rain season is finished, hopefully. And now I start to cut Margret's hair. Okay, let's see the transformation. Okay, Margret, we just start in the middle. You don't like the head, I remember. So leave the ugly part for first. Ui, ui, ui. After the rain, especially the small dogs, they lie so close to the ground, lie a lot. It's a little bit dirty. Just takes time. And I don't have the best one. It's the cheapest one I can get, but still does the work. They look quite weird when you're not completely finished and start. All this hair often stuck in there, especially with the poodles, so it's like this thick hair. So, Margret haircut done. I'm done as well. So, little shower right now and then we're finished. So you can enjoy the dry season. Ah, cute Margret. So, final step, shower for Margret. So after every haircut, the dogs get a shower, but only the one with the long hair, of course. Okay, bought an organic shampoo for the dogs. The other one is too strong, even the one for the dogs, but this is pretty good. That smells good, Margret. I have a soap and you get an organic shampoo. That's good, only the best for the doggies. Ay, 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 ay. Sorry, Margret. So, Margret, super clean. Taking every bit of shampoo out. Whoa. So, Margret gets dry a little bit and she's ready. Bye bye.